Hello friends, thanks for reading along with us today. Let's get started. In a small village, there lived a thoughtful young girl named Ava. Ava had a heart as big as the sky, and she loved nothing more than making others happy, especially her dear mother. As Mother's Day approached, Ava pondered what special surprise she could give her mom. She wanted it to be perfect, something that would show her how much she cherished her love and kindness. One sunny afternoon, while exploring the woods near her home, Ava stumbled upon a hidden clearing filled with colorful wildflowers. The air was sweet with the scent of roses, and birds sang melodies of joy. It was as if the clearing itself whispered secrets of love and gratitude. Inspired by the beauty around her, Ava decided to create a handmade bouquet for her mom. She gathered the most vibrant flowers she could find, carefully arranging them in a bouquet, tied with a ribbon from her favorite sparkly Christmas ribbons. But Ava wanted to add something extra special to her gift. She remembered her mom's love for homemade treats, especially her favorite strawberry jam cookies. With determination in her heart, Ava set out to make the perfect batch of cookies, all by herself. She followed her mom's recipe step by step, measuring flour, sugar, and butter with precision. Her kitchen soon filled with the warm aroma of freshly baked cookies, and Ava could not help but smile with pride. The next day was Mother's Day, and Ava woke up bright and early. She looked outside and saw the sun peeking through the clouds. Perfect, she thought. It was going to be a beautiful day. Ava snuck into the kitchen and set the table with her best tablecloth, arranged the bouquet in a vase, and placed the cookies on a decorative plate. As Mom woke up to the delightful scent of cookies, she followed the trail to the kitchen, where she found Ava waiting with a beaming smile. "Happy Mother's Day, Mom!" Ava exclaimed, presenting her with the bouquet and cookies. Mom's eyes filled with tears of joy as she hugged Ava tightly. "Ooh, Ava! This is the most beautiful surprise. You have made my day so special." Together, they enjoyed a breakfast of cookies and milk, savoring each bite and sharing memorable stories. Mom cherished every moment, knowing that the love and thoughtfulness behind Ava's surprise were the most precious gifts of all. Throughout the day, Ava and Mom spent time together, playing games, reading books, and laughing until their cheeks hurt. It was a Mother's Day filled with love, laughter, and cherished memories. As the sun set on their perfect day, Ava hugged her mom once more. "I love you, Mom. Today and every day. I love you too, my sweet Ava," Mom whispered, her heart overflowing with happiness. Ava and Mom celebrated a Mother's Day they would always treasure in their hearts.
Thanks for reading along with us today. We hope you enjoyed the book. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more magical stories. See you tomorrow!